What is the best way to clean baked-on grease from an air fryer?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the best way to clean baked-on grease from an air fryer. Cleaning your air fryer regularly is essential to maintain its performance and ensure that your food cooks evenly. So, let's jump right in and discover the most effective method to tackle that stubborn baked-on grease.
Gather the necessary materials.
Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's gather the materials we'll need. Soft sponge or cloth. This will be used to scrub off the grease without damaging the surface of your air fryer. Warm water. You'll need warm water to help loosen the baked-on grease. Mild dish soap. Opt for a gentle dish soap that is safe to use on non-stick surfaces. Non-abrasive brush. A small non-abrasive brush will come in handy to clean hard-to-reach areas, such as the heating element and crevices. Microfiber cloth. This will be useful for drying your air fryer after cleaning.
Unplug and disassemble the air fryer.
Safety first. Before starting the cleaning process, make sure your air fryer is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Then, disassemble the removable parts, such as the basket and tray, for a thorough cleaning. Check the manufacturer's instructions for proper disassembly guidelines specific to your air fryer model.
Soak the removable parts.
Now it's time to tackle the baked-on grease. Fill your sink or a basin with warm water and add a few drops of mild dish soap. Place the removable parts of your air fryer, such as the basket and tray, into the soapy water and let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will help loosen the grease and make it easier to clean later.
Wipe down the interior.
While the removable parts are soaking, take a soft sponge or cloth dampened with warm water and gently wipe down the interior of your air fryer. Pay extra attention to areas with baked-on grease, applying a bit more pressure if needed. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or scouring pads as they can damage the non-stick coating.
Scrub the removable parts.
After the soaking time has elapsed, take the basket and tray out of the soapy water. Grab your soft sponge or cloth and scrub the baked-on grease gently until it starts to loosen. If there are stubborn spots, you can use a non-abrasive brush to scrub them more effectively. Once the grease is removed, rinse the parts thoroughly with warm water to remove any soap residue.
Dry and reassemble.
Once everything is clean, grab a microfiber cloth and carefully dry all the parts of your air fryer. Make sure they are completely dry before reassembling them. Dampness can lead to mold or mildew growth, which we want to avoid. Congratulations! You've successfully cleaned the baked-on grease from your air fryer. Remember to clean your air fryer regularly to prevent the buildup of grease and maintain its performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks. Happy cooking!